Good day everybody. Today we look at the vacuum hose of Worth South Africa. All vacuum hoses is made of synthetic rubber. It starts with the inside diameter of 2.5 millimeter and there's various sizes available. Now they all come in a 10-meter roll, and the vacuum hose is resistant to fuel, diesel, but without bio-additives. The temperature range varies from minus 35 degrees to 110 degrees, and with short periods of time up to 150 degrees Celsius. So one thing you need to remember about a vacuum hose is never to use that as a fuel return line or as a pressure hose.